Yes, actually, I've scored 100 in English as well as SST, and I
Right.
fell short of scoring 100 in maths as well by 1 mark. And I felt I had been feeling very nervous leading up to these 2 days because we had no idea what the results would look like due to this pandemic situation. um,
Right.
and So I had been extremely anxious, to say
Right.
the least,
Right.
as of this morning, and I
Right.
did not check the website till a little while later. But
Right.
I was exhilarated when I first got to know about my marks, to say the
Right.
least, that is.
Mm-hmm.
And it's actually a very huge, it's a huge weight off your chest, actually.
Right. Okay. So, were you able to attend all the papers or were some of them called off?
I was lucky enough to be able to attend all of my papers,
Right.
because the lockdown was initiated after my last paper ended, which was on 18th March.
Okay. So, in the nick of time, you were able to attend your paper.
Yes, luckily.
Okay. Fair enough. Fair enough. And how has been, like, how were the papers like for you? Like, this experience of giving your first board exam for that matter. Not only this 10th, but your first board experience of giving
Um,
such a paper.
we were definitely made to feel very serious about giving our first board exams because it was
Mm-hmm.
definitely a landmark event in our education period. So
Right.
we were obviously pretty stressed. I guess that's normal
Right.
for every student giving their exams.
Right.
And but when you actually sit there in the examination hall and you like look through your question papers, you feel that all your hard work has amounted to something because you're familiar with those answer questions, and you know how to frame the answers and stuff. So it's actually an anticlimax because then you feel like, oh, I can do this, I get this, and you're confident
Right.
throughout.
Right. And were there any plans that you had in mind, like, once your papers got over, before this pandemic came into being? Like, what were your plans of, going
uh,
out, or what were your plans after your exams got over? Because I think you have a huge gap until you join your session for,
yes.
say, junior college or 11.
Yes. Here's the thing. I had my birthday. I had my 16th birthday on my science paper, science board exam. So one of the things that I had planned for the post board vacations. You know what? The
Right.
post board vacations are not even referred to as the post board vacations because it's all the lockdown period.
Right.
So yeah, as far as the plans are concerned, I had a lot of plans. I wanted to get experience in theater classes, drama classes. I wanted to write poems because I'm I like writing poems. I'm a bit of a logophile, and
Right.
we had travel plans. We had plans to meet up with our friends because we had been coped up for so long studying inside our houses, and we had a lot of plans. But then it would be futile to go over them now that we can't carry them out.
Correct. So, have you done, like, since you cannot practically go out, but have you made an attempt of, executing some of these things that you wanted to do staying at home, like with your family members or, using online medium as something?
Yes, yes, absolutely. Adaptation is a big part of it. So what I did was, I tried to check as many boxes as I could without actually going out. Some of them being online MUNs, which I enjoy thoroughly doing.
Online anyone,
Yes,
right?
Model
Okay.
United Nations,
Correct.
and that, and I started my poetry account on Instagram.
Okay.
I tried to learn the Indian Sign Language. Not very far, not have been very proficient in that, but it's certainly a project. And
Right.
I resumed my artistic hobbies as well, which included painting and quilling and stuff. Basically, calming down after the whole drama and excitement of 10th.
Okay, fair enough. And like, of course, getting back to your academic line, now you have, crossed one milestone, but now you're going to prepare for the next. So, what is in the books for you next? Are you like what subject are you going to take, and what is in your mind to become? What are your plans, basically?
That's a great question, and the funny fact is that because of this volatile situation, you don't really know what might happen and what might be in the books for the pass outs of the children of the 2022 batch, because all the job opportunities and stuff. So far, my family and I have planned to take things one step at a time, and we will be
Right.
going ahead with the with PCB as of now, and we will see how things
And what
turn.
science subjects are you going to take in your school?
That is up to question so far.
Okay.
Like I said,
Okay,
very
because
volatile.
if I might reveal, I'm an animator from your school.
Sorry.
I studied in our school. I'm from the same school, actually.
Oh, that's great to hear.
Yeah. I hope it's the Gorpudi branch, not the Kharki branch.
Yes, I started at the Godpadi branch as well.
Okay. No, I'm talking about the Gorpudi branch, but at that time it wasn't there. It was near the race course.
Yes, I'm aware.
So I'm from the same school. So that is exactly why I asked that. Have you figured out which side subjects are you planning to take, or that is still something that you will take time to decide on?
Yes, I might take a little bit of time to decide that.
Yeah, because again you are talking to a PCB student. So.
Oh, that's great.
Right. Anyways, so what is in mind? So for now, have you decided only on the subject, or are you aiming to become something? Is there something that you have in the horizon that you want to become?
I've always been the kind of person who wishes to do everything that I can possibly do. So it's always hard to choose between one career option and the other, because most of them are very appealing to you. One job might offer you some opportunities that the other might not.
Right.
So
Correct.
I intend to figure it out as I go, and we will certainly see where that takes me. But I'm pretty sure that I trust myself to do good wherever I choose to go.
Fair enough. So you're continuing in school, right? You're not shifting to a junior college system.
As of now, we are not planning to. But if suppose the situation calls for it, then that's always possible.
Okay, so that is an option kept at hand if it's required.
Yes.
Like the option of choosing the junior college over your 11th, 12th standard.
Yes.
system. Okay, and lastly, how are you going to celebrate? Like at least I think you might have had something in mind to celebrate this particular thing someday.
I
So, how are you going to execute it now, considering I understand the conditions are not very favorable, but still, as to what limit are you planning to celebrate it, and how are you planning to celebrate it?
That's a good question, because as I said, adaptation is a big part of it. So we had planned a Zoom meeting for all of our classmates, because it's a collective success, right? Because all of us made it through in very tough times. So we will celebrate that together, and after which I'll have a great time with my family like always, and I don't know, just feel happy, because after all, the achievement in
So, are you going to prepare food at home, or are you bringing food at home, or what are you doing then? Or are you asking your mother to do the thing?
I think the safer option is always to prepare food at home, plus it's more enjoyable when you think about it, spending time with your mother, who is a very big part of where I am today.
Correct. So, have you planned it, or are you still planning or figuring it out what to have for dinner today?
Ah, we'll have pani puri, I guess, Marathi style, pav bhaji,
Okay.
vada pav.
Like your mama is going to prepare it for you?
We'll prepare it
Is that-
together.
Okay. So that's your plan in head.
As of now,
And what
yes.
is Papa going to do then?
My father is. I can hear. I can already hear him say, "I'm just gonna enjoy eating the stuff," but I'm sure he's gonna give.
It's a big for the household story. No worries.
Oh, he'll give us a hand. He'll be around for entertainment. We'll watch a movie together.
Great. Sounds like a plan actually.
It does.
Okay. Anything else that you would like me to add to this thing? I think you've spoken pretty well, and I think you have kept yourself a little busy during this lockdown inside home system thing. Of course, you could not go out, and it's been what, 3 months you have been at home?
Yes, near about 3 months.
Right, and you have nothing to study as well, unlike other children. Have you tried going for like apart from your sign language classes? Was there anything else that enticed you to join, like a short course or something?
No, but I was planning to take online courses, but then it so happened that I never actually took them. So I might take
Okay.
them in the course of the next, till whenever the lockdown is.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, or
So that
online.
is also subject. And what about your theatre drama? Then how did you go about that? Did you join something?
No, I could not join any theatrical classes and institutions, but that certainly is, planned out for. It's there for the next year or so.
Okay, okay. So this is something that you had in mind but could not execute because of how situation. That's
Yes,
all.
yeah.
Okay.
Also, could you take a little statement? A message I have for my fellow classmates.
Sure. Tell me.
Right.
I'm
So.
not going to name people. That's
No. It's not that. I just wanted people to know that because of the whole lockdown situation, I know that mental healths have been degraded to a very big extent, and I just wanted people to know that it's actually going to be fine. It's just a phase, and especially after the results, I really hope that everybody is doing okay and coping up with everything that's happening in a positive and wholesome manner. And I do
Right.
hope that they find the strength to carry on and satisfaction in whatever they've done.
Right. So are you nervous about what the future holds for you, or are you hopeful about it then?
No, there's nothing to be nervous about.
No, nervous about as you mentioned, there are no jobs technically. And
No,
there's nothing to do.
no. Nervousness is certainly not one of the emotions I feel. It's more of wonder, actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wonder of the unknown. Then
Yeah.
what is there? for you?
Anticipation, wonder. Let's
Okay.
go get
Fair
it
enough.
types. Yeah.
Okay, fair enough. Anything, nothing for the school, or is school a big part of it?
Oh, obviously, the institution always plays a big part in the students'
I don't have to
performance.
question EPS. I don't think so. I've studied there. I know they rule you to study.
Yes,
That would be so.
exactly. The school is a big part of it. My teachers have been wonderful. They are certainly a huge part of my credit goes to them as well.
Great. Any special subject that you have? Any favorites that you have?
No, I like them all equally. I cannot be partial to any subject, honestly.
Oh, okay. Then that's weird and it's interesting at the same time.
It is, isn't it? I cannot bring myself to choose, honestly. So I can't answer that question.
So that is why you have a tough time deciding which subject, which career line to go with. But you have time to figure out, not a problem.
Exactly.
Okay, fair enough. Again, congratulations, Aditi. And I think you have your Pani Puri party now. You can comment on that. Meanwhile, can you do me one favor? Can you send me a picture of yourself?
Yes, of
Not a
course.
selfie picture, please. Please send me a passport photo or something with this format. Okay, or something in your school
as soon as possible. Is it for?
Not as soon as possible. I work on a deadline. Please, I work on a deadline. Send it ASAP.
Cool. Is it for the news? For the article?
Yes, it's for the news. Yes, exactly. For the news article. Take 15-20 minutes, but nothing more than that, please.
Cool. Fine then. I will do it.
A little pressure on you, but
It's okay. I can deal with pressure.
okay. And it was lovely talking to you. I'm actually talking to my school juniors, so it's a next level thing. Okay.
It was great talking to you as well. Thank you so much.
Most welcome. Congratulations again. Take care. Be safe. Okay.
Okay. Bye bye.